Yeah, welcome back to the ChannelOne newsroom on ChannelOne television. Now, for decades, residents of Sabare in the Tatali district of the northern region have struggled to access quality healthcare service due to the poor state of the Sabare Chiefs compound, which serves a population of more than 9,000 people. Residents often traveling over an hour to reach better equipped facilities in the Zabzugu district. Pregnant women and patients with emergency conditions are left with no choice but to endure long and risky commutes when the under-resourced Sabare Chiefs facility cannot meet their needs. Our Northern Regional Bureau Chief, Shawana Yusuf, has more in this report.
From inadequate infrastructure to a shortage of essential medical equipment, the Sabare Chiefs compound has been left behind in the delivery of basic health services to the community. Pregnant women in labor are forced to use a damaged delivery bed that lacks the support stands required during childbirth. ChannelOne TV understands that the situation compels health workers to rely on relatives to hold the legs of women in labor, an act that violates their privacy and dignity.
Where the women are supposed to support their legs while pushing, they fall removed. So at times when you get a client that cannot cooperate, you need to call the relatives of the staff that are around to support the patient for you to do the delivery. And the bed is not comfortable again. At times you stand and then by the time you finish, your waist is paining.
Another health staff member told ChannelOne TV that the challenges extends beyond the infrastructure, citing the lack of record books and computers to properly document patient information as a major concern.
We also have to resort to exercise books so that when they come, they'll be using those ones as the folders. We don't have folder. So the clients have to go to the town, buy the exercise book and come before we can use that one as the folder. So we have one folder that we look through and then write all the details that will be needed inside before we attend to them.
Some patients who spoke to ChannelOne TV expressed frustration over the condition of the Chiefs compound, saying the lack of alternative healthcare options leave them with no choice but to continue using the facility despite its challenges. However, an act of kindness by the Anta Next Generation Foundation has brought a ray of hope to residents following the donation of medical supplies to help improve healthcare delivery at the facility. Speaking during the presentation, the executive director of the foundation, Alhaji Idrisu Mohammed Shani, said the gesture forms part of their commitment to supporting underprivileged communities to access quality health care.
No longer will patients have to lie on makeshift arrangements or share limited bed spaces. Each bed represents our commitment to ensuring that even in our most remote communities, sick persons can receive care with dignity.